In this video, I will show you two ways in which you can number the rows in Google Sheets. So first one is very simple. All you have to do is that you have to put first two numbers like that, and then select these two cells and then drag it like that. So you can see that it is automatically incrementing those numbers for the rows. Another way is that you can use the sequence function. So you just go in the first cell where you want to start the row, then is equal to, and then enter this function sequence. Here you have to put how many rows you want to create or how many rows you want to number. So let us say we want to create 4 rows. Then columns is 1, start from 1 and step 1. So basically what we are telling here is that start with 1 and increment every row by 1. So it will be like 1, 2, 3 and it will go till 4 because the first parameter we have given is 4 because you want 4 rows. If you want more rows, you just change that parameter 4 to something else. Then enter and then just hit enter and you can see that 4 rows have been numbered. Let us do it for say 14 or say 12. You can see that it is numbered those many rows. That's it. Thanks for watching.